Hey,
What are you thinking about?
how strange it is that I get to wake up next to you every single day.
The guy. Strange good or strange weird?
Strange lucky? I love this.
Love what?
This. Right here. No phones, no noise. Just you. Next to me.
Generating animated African folktale stories is super easy with this particular new AI that I discovered. What this AI actually does is this: it converts any of your photo into a talking photo. When I mean talking photo with super realistic, voice is super realistic, and you can actually make this particular images to talk in Nigerian accent or in American accent once you know how to prompt using this particular AI. So what are you waiting for? All you need to do is just to stay with me from very start to the end so you can actually know how I was able to get that done and to know the AI and to know how you can actually use this particular AI. And do not forget, this particular AI is being supported by YouTube. And what this stuff basically means is this: if you are using this AI to create your voiceover or to animate any of your African folktale stories, you will not have issues. You are safe and you will definitely get monetized once you hit your monetization. Let us dive into the full tutorial video on how you can actually convert your photos into a full drama Nigeria movie for free and is unlimited, guys.
Don't forget, for us to test run this particular AI to see how it works, so we need to generate a story. Do you understand? So doing that, I went to my Cloud AI. So when I opened my Cloud AI, this was the first prompt or the first instruction I gave Cloud AI, and this is what I told Cloud AI to do for me. Generate me a story of a girl and her boyfriend living together. Both boyfriend and girlfriend are having a very romantic conversation on the bed. Then at the end, I was like, make the story short. Don't forget, at the beginning I said a random story, so I just need a short story because I want to use it as tutorial so you guys can actually see how this AI actually works. Then Cloud AI generated this script for me. You see that? So all these things are the story that Cloud AI generated for me. Then after that, the second prompt I actually brought in is this. So I was like, now I want you to turn the story into a dialogue scene. Put when to talk and when not to talk. The guy name is Jack, while the girl name is Mary. Now, reason I actually told this AI to do was to put when to talk and when not to talk. I actually added that instruction because I really want Cloud AI to understand that this stuff is actually a conversational story, like between two parties. Do you understand? So this now will help, Cloud AI to narrate or to format the dialogue perfectly so that both characters will not talk at the same time. So that is the work of that particular one. There is nothing too special about that. Then after that was sent on Cloud AI. Now, as you can see, this is the dialogue that Cloud AI has actually turned this stuff to. So here is this. Now, the first thing is the settings. If you notice, this is the settings of my story, which when I will be converting it to video, I will be needing this. Do you understand? Good. So what you need to do now is this. So after Cloud AI has given you this stuff, then the next thing you need to do is to generate a perfect image character that will suit this particular story. So that is actually what I did here. And now after that has been done, then this is my last prompt that I actually gave Cloud AI. So I was like, now generate me images scene prompt so I can use the image to generate my video somewhere else. I want the prompt to be well punished and look luxury. Now, the reason I added well punished and look luxury is this: there is some African folktale stories that when you are watching them on YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok, the appearance of those images will not give you the zeal to keep watching that video. That's actually because their prompting is very, very poor and it looks fakish, or not fakish, it looks dull. Do you understand? It looks dull. But with this particular instruction that I added here now, if you are generating, or if Cloud AI is to generate stories for me, it will never neglect that part that says luxury. As you can see now, when he wanted to generate images, he's still pointing out this luxury. That is to say, he's not going to generate any random image for me. It's going to give me a luxury detailed prompt for my images. Now after I've gotten this stuff, now the next thing I'm to do now is to convert all this stuff now to images. And to do that, all I need to do is just to start copying them one after the other. So let me start with the first one. This is the first one, so I'm going to long press this, then collect everything and click on copy. Now I'm going to open my Chrome browser. Then when you open your Chrome browser, we'll be using Flow. So come to this place and search for Flow. I'm doing this from beginning because some persons might not know how to access Flow. So once you click on Flow, make sure you click on this particular one. Do you understand? So once you click on this place, it's going to take you into the main website of Flow. So this is how it will look like. So once you are here, you just have to exercise patience for this particular site to load very well. So I'm going to select my preferred email that you want to log in with. So after you've selected that, you wait again. Now as you can see, the interface is actually loading. So you've gotten yourself to this place. So the only place you need to tap is this place that says what? New project. Good. So once you tap on this new project, boom, the main working space of Flow will now display. So this is how this stuff will actually look like. So once the stuff has opened like this, your work starts from here. Do you understand? But before you do anything, make sure you click on this place. As you can see, this stuff is on video, so you have to take it to image, because if you leave it like this, now anything you'll be doing here, you will just be getting videos and not image, which is not what we wanted. So once the stuff has opened like this, then got it, you have this, then you tap on that video aspect, then from this video click on image. So once you select your image, it's going to be like this. And don't forget, I'm generating my stories for YouTube, sorry, for Facebook and TikTok. So I want the size to be on 16, on 9:16. That's for Facebook and TikTok. But if you're generating your story for YouTube, it should be on 16:9. So after you've gotten this, I always use this image generating mode. Nano Banana Pro is the best. It makes your image to look super sharp and with high resolution. So after everything is selected, take a look at this place. It is unlimited. That is why you see 0 credits for generating your images alone. So once this stuff is done, then the next thing you need to do is to click on this place and then paste that particular prompt you copy from Cloud AI. Now we are to generate our image. So let's see how this image is actually going to look like, guys. Now as you can see, I'm getting 1 image per generate, but if I want 2 images per generate, so I have to tap on this place. So once you tap on this place, you can make it 2, you can make it 3, max is 4, you get, but I want to make it 2. So once I have this 2 here, then I'm going to come here, copy the second prompt. This is the second prompt. You see that this is the second prompt. So once I copy my second prompt, then I'm going to come back to this place and then paste this stuff here, and then go back and hit on generate. Now as you can see, this is actually the room. You get, there is no people here. I don't know why Cloud actually generated something that nobody is inside, because I need those 2 characters to be on the bed. So let me see if I can see a prompt where those 2 characters are actually sitting on the bed. Now Cloud did not generate that for me, so what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to come to Cloud and then tell Cloud to do this for me. Hello Cloud, I want you to generate image character for both characters sitting on the bed, because I want to use it as a conversational dialogue story. So let me see if Cloud is going to understand what I said and see if it's going to generate characters for both Mary and Jack. Okay, now so as you can see, Cloud has generated the image character of both of them staying together. So what I'm going to do is to copy. So I have to long press, then copy this, then I'm going to go back to Flow and then generate this. So I'm going to click here and paste this, then boom, let's see the last result of what we have. I just pray that, you know, the kind of image I'm expecting is what I should generate here, guys. Now good, this is actually perfect. Now look at the images we have. This is luxury. This is the kind of image I actually want to get. So once you have this stuff, the next thing you need to do is to long press and then you click on download again, then this image will be downloaded here. Do the same thing on the second image, long press, click on download and click on download again. Then the second image also will be downloaded. Now once this image is downloaded, the next thing you need to do now is to convert that image to a talking photo with perfect animation and body movement. Now to do that, what you need to do is to open your what? You open your YouTube. So once you open your YouTube, you click on this plus sign here. You see that? So once you tap on the plus sign like this, is going to pop up. So what you have to do is to tap on this place. You see that? Good. So once you tap on this place, then it's going to take you straight to this particular AI. So once you are here, these are actually the things you can do with this particular AI. You can create video, make me move, photo to video, and then create music. But in today's video, I'm just going to be doing what? Creating video. So I'm going to this plus sign. So once I click on the plus sign, I have this. So the very first thing I need to do is to bring in the image I want to animate, or I want to make talk. So I'm going to click on this plus sign, and then this is the image. So once you tap on the image is going to come here. Then the next thing to do is to go back to your cloud AI. So once you come to your cloud AI, you have to copy. Now you have to copy the conversation. I don't know if you understand. So here I'm going to copy the conversation. So I'm going to start from this place. I'm going to copy here down to this place. I just pray that this AI should be able to like say everything down to this place. So once you copy this, you go back to a particular place. Then once you are here, you paste this particular stuff. So once you paste, you hit on that arrow. Now let's see how this result will actually turn out to be. And don't forget, I did not specify the tone, but let me say the tone that this AI is actually going to say, is going to use to say those stuffs in this particular video. Now guys, guess what? The deed has been done. So let me play this video for you to see what this AI actually did for me, and tell me if you can actually give this particular AI a try. So let's
Single
go.
day. Hey,
Hey, what are you thinking about?
how strange it is that I get to wake up next to you every single day. Hey,
Hey, what are
Wow.
you thinking about?
Wow.
how
Wow.
strange it is that I get
Wow.
to wake up next to you every single day.
Believe me when I say that this stuff is amazing. Like, this is top notch. Even myself, I did not even believe that, the result is going to turn out to be like this. And now let's do another thing. So after we've gotten this stuff, now don't click on next. Are you hearing me? Don't click on next. So what you need to do now is to download this particular video. So for you to download, I think you have to long press. I really don't know. Downloading this, do another one. So after we've gotten that, then I'm going to click my video here. Then what I'm going to click again, click on the plus sign to bring in the next image. Then I will still be using the same image. Now come back to this place. So what I'm going to do is to paste this. So once I've pasted this stuff, so I'm going to leave the settings to be there, but I'm going to change the dialogue now. So from here, I will remove this particular part. Then I'm going to cloud AI. Don't forget that where I stopped is how strange it is. Okay, so I'm going to copy from here down to this place. So I'm going to stop here. You copy this, then you go back to this particular AI, and then you paste this particular stuff. Then you hit on this arrow. So let's see what we are going to have this time around to see if this AI will still give me an amazing result, guys. Just stay with me, guys, and don't forget, if you're actually gaining something from this video, the only thing you owe me to subscribe and turn on your notification sign. Subscribe and turn on notification sign. It is very, very important, guys.
Just you next to me.
It is done, guys.
Strange
Watch.
good or strange weird?
Strange lucky.
I love this.
Love what?
This, right here. No phones, no noise, just you next to me.
This is
Strange
amazing,
good or
guys.
strange
This
weird?
is amazing.
Strange lucky.
This
I love-
is really, really amazing. This is super amazing.